Welcome back everyone, and in this video we talk about how to see old Google Maps satellite images on the iPhone, right? So when you open up the Google Maps, usually people just switch over to this like layers and click on a satellite, which is useful and everything, but you don't really see much, right? So that's not really as useful. That's why I would recommend you to, instead of using the Google Maps, you might as well just use the Google Earth, which is also the option which is available. It's like a separate app, which I think you should definitely go ahead and install on your device. So you can get inside and you can see it's a slightly different user interface. So what you gotta do is you can see that you can get started and everything, right? So there are stuff which you can check out and everything, but I want you to click on the hamburger menu right here, and you should choose the Voyager option. So let me just click on this and choose the distances right here. So let me just see the layers. And essentially, as you are in here, what you got to do is to make sure you click on it like this layers again, and you have a bunch of different options. So make sure at first that you are at the satellite right here. But when you also scroll through the settings here, what you find as well is historical imagery, right? So you can explore Google's catalog of historical imagery of the planet, right? So this is an option as well. So when you click on this or enable it, you have the ability to scroll through and go like back in time. So you have this like little timeline right here, and you can come back into the past. I'm not sure how far you can go, but there is an option. So I guess it varies place by place, but this is essentially how you can enable it. So yeah, this is, you can see 1987. So you can jump right in, and probably it's not going to be as like high quality as the shots of today, and perhaps needs to load up or whatever. But this is essentially the way that it works. So let me know down below in the comments what you think about it. If you found this video helpful, hit a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.